barrel will land on that rung.
Okay.
We'll fill with funnel, and then tap it down and transfer up and say goodbye. It feels like more than 90 pounds. This barrel's was a gift from Blee. Blee does barrel-aged maple syrup, barrel-aged fish sauce. They do all kinds of fun stuff. And now we're back filling it with our future strawberry vinegar. This room exists because of the farm, right? We treat it like an old farmhouse. We treat it like a basement of an old farmhouse. Anywhere in the world you might be, there's a farm, and on that farm there's a house, and in the basement of that house there's a place for storage and food. And we love to kind of work with the seasons. We really want to take abundance and surplus at its opportunities. We put it into jars or containers or barrels in this case to make the most out of it. This was around 100 quarts of strawberries we juiced. We let that juice sort of ferment. We hope that within about a year we've picked off enough from the barrel, and that it's settled down enough and really kind of beautiful and clean, and get the other bacterias out of it. You don't want to wake up one day and this, 200 pounds of strawberry juice all over the floor, that you hope that barrel holds. You kind of pray to got it. This is sort of like a testing ground for the things that we end up seeing at the market. Bricks are in. This work ultimately becomes the line of tea and the marmalades and the honeys and all the different products that you see from the thing. I mean, a lot of it just starts, it starts here. This is not what goes into production, but it's a good testing ground for us. We use it, we love it, we make a mess, we clean it up. Yeah, let's get it over the thing. This is the key. A full barrel like this, can put up almost 600 bottles. It's a lot different than it looked going in. More mature. Oh, this is like lees, this sort of sediment. I'm pumping from the bottom. Might actually be pretty easeasy to show that eutectic point that I was talking about. The sugar and the alcohol and the acid and all that other stuff is sort of dropping through the bottom, and all that's left is water.